Deja vu. Your sense of a moment plays through your memory center. Makes you feel like you've experienced all this before. I know you feel out of place, like your life isn't your own. You wake every night from a painful dream you never had.
오늘도 악몽 끝에 깨어난 루시. 역시나 똑같은 시간이었습니다.
Jesus Christ! What are you doing down here?
루시를 놀라게 한 건 그녀의 아들 아이작.
Isaac?
What are you doing down there?
You okay, sweetheart?
You okay, sweetheart?
이런 아이작의 이상 행동이 이미 익숙해진 듯 그녀는 아무렇지 않게 침대로 이끌어 다시 잠을 재웠습니다.
And how often do these episodes occur?
About once or twice a month.
And it's just the two of you at home?
Yes.
And how did he react when you told him that you and your husband were separating?
He didn't.
아이작의 이해할 수 없는 행동들 때문에 주기적으로 정신과 상담을 받아오고 있었고
Do you remember waking up last night? And do you remember why you did that?
Meredith was crying.
Sometimes Isaac imagines things. People. That's quite common, isn't it? Imaginary friends.
Is that right, Isaac? Is Meredith your friend?
She can't hear me.
How's he at school?
Fine. I mean, he does well.
Is he always this placid?
He never laughs. He never gets mad. He's just... That's okay.
And there is a instance of schizophrenia in the family. Your mother.
It's not schizophrenia. Dr. Harper ruled out schizophrenia. There's no easy answer here, believe me. You're actually doctor number 7.
I'll do what I can.
등교를 마친 아이작을 뒤로하고 출근한 루시는 사회복지사로서 자신의 일상으로 돌아왔습니다.
Bedwetting?
Yes.
Bedwetting could be a sign of abuse. We need to rule that out.
No, Luce, it's not about whether the kids...
This is the job, Karen.
He's here.
루시가 호출한 인물은 셰인 피셔였습니다. 그는 아내와 아이를 학대한 혐의로 접근 금지 명령을 받은 상태였죠. 셰인은 명령을 무시하고 아내 클로이와 딸에게 접근을 시도했고 경고를 주기 위해 호출한 것인데
Chloe tells us that you physically assaulted her and that you threatened the safety of your daughter. You didn't.
I didn't threaten Tilly.
But there was an incident of assault.
I wouldn't hurt her. That's bollocks.
그때 루시는 셰인의 모습 위로 겹쳐지는 이상한 환영을 보게 됩니다.
I love her. I won't do nothing to her.
This is very serious, Shane.
Yeah.
If there are any further incidents, we're going to need to consider child protection measures. Do you understand?
Is that it?
셰인은 자리를 떠났지만 그에게 느낀 기묘한 기시감 때문인지 루시의 불안은 가시지 않았고 그날 밤 역시 정확히 3시 33분에 눈을 뜨는 루시.
You're talking in your sleep. Something about fireworks.
루시는 남편 마이크와 이미 이혼한 사이였지만 두 사람은 여전히 연인 같은 미묘한 관계를 이어가고 있었는데
Gone by the time he wakes up. I'm changing my name back.
그날 아침 아이작을 등교시킨 루시는 치매 증상이 있는 엄마 실비아에게 향합니다.
Hey!
It's okay.
And he'll eat the birds! Fuck off!
There's nothing there.
And he comes and goes.
Come on, I'll get you a nice cup of tea.
같은 시각 형사 라비가 살인사건 현장에 발을 들입니다.
Victim was Mr. Harold Slade.
How's it looking up there?
Lot of spatter.
Let's get this over with.
라비는 파트너 닉과 함께 조심스럽게 집 안으로 향하고
I said next door were out, front door was unlocked. Killer picked his moment, probably knew the victim. Volunteered with St. John's, ran the local rowing club. Pillar of the community. A little bit of rough, you know. Bondage, S&M. Do you want to step out?
라비는 특이하게도 피를 보면 심한 거부감을 느끼는 공포증을 가지고 있었는데
Why do this?
A grudge, bad debts, botched burglary.
No, I mean you. Why do this job, given your disposition?
Someone has to.
So, just to be clear, you're saying it was parked opposite the victim's house?
라비와 닉은 피해자 헤럴드의 이웃을 탐문하던 중 사건 발생 무렵 현장 근처에서 낯선 차 한 대를 봤다는 결정적인 증언을 확보합니다.
Nissan Vanette.
A red Nissan Vanette, you're absolutely sure?
Yeah, it's a big chunky thing with the bull bars.
그 시각 학교에 있는 아이작.
Out my way, knobhead.
곧바로 자신을 밀친 아이의 가방을 향해 다가간 아이작은
He says it was an accident.
Well, I'll pay for the damage.
That's not really the issue here. One of those bags belonged to a boy who was picking on Isaac.
Tell me his name.
Archie.
Archie? Does it upset you?
Is that why you weed on his bag? They moved the toilets.
Isaac knows full well where the toilets are. Don't you, Isaac? Come on, say sorry.
Sorry.
그날 밤도 루시는 악몽 속을 헤매고 있습니다.
Isaac! Isaac! Go to bed. Shut your eyes. Shut your eyes!
아이작을 다시 침대에 눕혔지만 루시는 잠을 이룰 수 없었죠.
Isaac?
루시는 소리가 난 곳으로 가보지만 아무것도 없었고 다시 부엌으로 돌아오자
Mummy's sorry she yelled at you.
Come here, give me a cuddle.
Who's that man? He's gone now.
Mummy's gonna make you better. I promise.
날이 밝자마자 루시는 셰인의 가족을 찾아갑니다.
Chloe Fisher. As you know, we spoke to your husband just to get his side of the story.
He was here this morning.
Here at the house.
Said if he didn't go, I'd call the police.
Did you call the police? Now, if he turns up here again, I want you to...
인형을 마주하자 클로이와 아이의 잔혹한 모습이 강렬히 스치는데
Don't let him into this house. I'm gonna give you my mobile number. So if you are worried, I want you to call me.
같은 시각 라비는 이웃의 증언을 토대로 빨간색 닛산 바네트의 행방을 쫓고 있습니다.
Jonah Taylor's teddy bear.
Yeah, I know. That kid was never going to be found, and that was a dead end.
That road there led to 5 houses, and this car didn't belong to any of them. 1 hour later, our mystery car shows up again just off the M3 where they found the bear. Is that, or is that not, a red Nissan Vanette?
그 시각 루시는 아이작과 함께 정신과 상담실에 앉았고
How was the insomnia?
More frequent, I suppose. Walking around again last night.
And that was before you went to bed?
I woke up
What sort of time was this?
3:33. It's the same every single night. I wake up, I open my eyes, I look at the time, and it is 3:33 a.m. Not 3:32, not 3:34. I have had this my whole life.
Have you ever suffered from hallucinations or mood swings?
I get deja vu sometimes. I mean, it's not a memory. It's like I'm misremembering.
You need to speak with someone.
No, please. I'm not worried about myself.
You seem afraid.
I looked it up, 3:33. Do you know what they call it?
What? Sorry. I've got you in next Tuesday at the same time. Self-care isn't selfish, Lucy. Remember that.
The Devil's Hour. They call it the Devil's Hour.
상담을 마치고 집으로 돌아가는 길
Look out, Pumpkin.
She just ran in front of the car.
Did you run in front of this lady's car? Now you need to apologize to this lady, don't you?
I'm sorry.
Right, Meredith Warren.
Meredith.
Mummy, I had a bad dream.
Can't hurt us now.
청소를 하던 루시의 눈에 기묘한 물건이 보이는데
Not supposed to be like this.
Here.
Hold it.
루시가 발견한 물체를 실비아의 손에 쥐어주자 불안해하던 그녀는 거짓말처럼 평온을 되찾았고
It's gonna be okay.
같은 시각 라비와 닉은 끈질긴 CCTV 추적 끝에 버려진 빨간색 닛산 바네트를 찾아내는 데 성공합니다.
Long life UPS in this.
Dashboard cam. Just had to park at the right angle. He's got himself a 24-hour stream. That's how he knew Slade's routine.
Without getting too close.
라비는 차 안에서 호텔 키 하나를 발견하고
Find the cheapest hotel in the area. But someone took his booking, which means someone's seen his face.
그날 저녁 루시를 찾아온 마이크.
Yeah, it's not a good time. I'm working.
Do we have sex because you love me or because you love sex?
그때 걸려온 클로이의 전화. 셰인이 클로이를 찾아온 것인데
Chloe, listen to me. You need to call the police. Chloe.
클로이와 그녀의 딸이 죽는 참혹한 데자비를 목격한 루시는 걷잡을 수 없는 불안에 휩싸입니다.
Sorry, I shouldn't have called.
Chloe, please.
Lucy.
Stay with Isaac.
그 시각 용의자가 머물렀던 낡은 모텔을 찾아낸 라비.
How long's he been staying here?
He don't stay.
That doesn't strike you as odd?
He pays cash. He's had the lodge about 9, 10 years, 50s, 60s. But skinny, you know?
Can you show us his lodge?
If you can show me a warrant.
모텔 주인은 투숙객의 신원을 밝히길 거부하며 입을 닫았고 닉의 시선은 구석에 웅크린 강아지 한 마리에게 향합니다.
What breed of dog is that?
Oh, he's all right. That's just Spud.
I didn't ask his name, I asked his breed. Looks like a pit bull terrier to me.
So what?
It's a bad breed, as I'm sure you can provide a certificate of exemption. You can show us the room, or we can sit and we can talk about Spud a bit longer.
닉의 협박에 주인은 결국 남자가 머물던 방으로 두 형사를 안내하는데
It's not supposed to be there.
문이 열린 방 안에는 벽면을 가득 채운 조사 기록들이 두 사람을 맞이했죠.
This is today.
루시가 클로이의 집 앞에 도착했을 땐 이미 경찰들이 출동해 있었고 집안에서 시신 한 구가 실려 나오는데
Will you answer a question for me? It might sound strange. What's the worst thing you've ever experienced?
You.
I'm sorry, Lucy. I'm sorry, but you've suffered far worse than me. You just don't know it yet.
다행히도 사망자는 클로이 모녀가 아니었습니다.
I'm being stupid.
No, you're not.
Sorry, I shouldn't have called.
루시와의 통화를 끝낸 클로이가 문을 열어주러 밖으로 나섰지만 셰인의 모습은 어디에도 보이지 않았고 주변을 살피던 클로이가 발견한 건 죽은 셰인의 시신이었습니다.
I saw you that night when they took Shane Fisher away. I was there. I was standing in the crowd. Those years I'd been searching for you, and suddenly there you were. You knew what he was going to do. The things I'm going to tell you tonight are going to sound unlikely. I'd like very much for you to listen, and then I want you to lie to me. I want you to tell me, convince me that you don't believe me. If you say you don't believe me, he can't prove that you're lying. Look at me, look! He can't prove that you're crazy.
But what if I am crazy?
지옥 같은 현장을 겪고 돌아온 루시를 맞이한 건 마이크였습니다.
I love you.
But I don't need you to love me. I need you to love him.
I tried, but I needed him to love me back. You can't fix him. You think that if you love him hard enough, then he'll feel it, but he won't.
Out.
Jesus. What is it, sweetheart?
There's a man in the garden.
하지만 마당에는 아무도 보이지 않았고
Where did you see him?
What was he doing?
Looking.
그러나 여전히 남자의 모습은 보이지 않았죠.
Not everything we see is real. Go back inside, darling.
아이작이 들어가자 다음 날 루시는 아이작을 데리고 장난감 가게로 향합니다.
Choose anything you want.
루시는 아이작이 그저 평범한 아이들처럼 마음이 들떠 천진하게 뛰어놀길 바랬지만 집으로 돌아오는 길 두 사람 눈에 메러디스 가족의 모습이 들어오는데
Isaac, open the door for Mummy. Are you going to play with it? Play with it. Go to your room.
아이작은 지금까지 계속 똑같은 장난감만 사들여 왔던 것.
All of the evidence seized from Brightside Lodges last Thursday night. Harold Slade and Shane Fisher. We also found the name Hobson scrawled on his wall. That was the name of Jonah Taylor's teddy bear. Get to work.
라비와 닉은 지체 없이 루시 체인버스를 찾아 나섭니다.
Sorry, what exactly does this have to do with me?
The suspect was staying in a guest house just off the 364.
We've got your address as 33 Clinton Road, is that right?
We'll get a marked vehicle parked outside.
Isaac, have you got your shoes on?
She's not allowed to draw on the table.
What table?
She knows she's not supposed to do it.
그녀는 다시 아이작과 함께 상담실로 향했습니다.
Isaac, I'd like you to look at some pictures with me. Is this person happy or sad?
Sad.
아이작은 자신의 감정을 표현하지 못하지만 다른 사람의 감정은 읽을 수 있었고
And what kind of things make mummy sad?
Me.
다음 날 출근한 루시의 머릿속에는 클로이 모녀에 대한 데자비가 계속해서 떠올랐는데 불안감을 견디지 못하고 다른 곳으로 거처를 옮긴 클로이를 찾아갑니다.
I should have let him in.
He was threatening you, Chloe.
Yeah, because I was being a selfish bitch. I just need to go home. There's no room here. None of us are sleeping. As soon as I've got Seb down, I'm up again with these chest pains.
What chest pains?
What do you call it? Acid reflux?
What sort of time?
What difference does it make?
It doesn't. Sorry.
그때 루시의 등 뒤로 느껴지는 서늘한 시선. 한편 라비와 닉은 또 다른 루시 체인버스를 찾아갔고
Have you ever seen this car before? Mrs. Chambers?
About 3 years ago, we noticed a red car down by the woods. It's a small community. Everyone knows everyone, but nobody knew who it belonged to. Come and go. But this car didn't go. One day, we saw it at the end of the lane, our lane.
Did you get a look at the driver?
Nobody ever saw the driver. And then one day, it just disappeared. What's this about?
The car was stolen. We're just confirming reported sightings.
Should have warned her, Dylan. She's in danger.
That isn't the Lucy Chambers he was looking for.
What did you do at school today?
Sums. Spelling. Pretending.
Was that fun?
No, it was pretend.
Pretend like Meredith. She's pretend, isn't she?
She's not pretend.
Remember that little girl we saw on the street the other day? Her name's Meredith. Meredith Warren.
I'm sorry.
Right, Meredith Warren.
Meredith Warren, come here, this is Meredith Warren, go upstairs and think about what you've done.
No, I'm talking about the little girl who lives down the road with her parents.
I live here too.
말을 마친 아이작은 무표정한 얼굴로 벽을 뚫어지게 응시했죠. 그 시각 라비는 모텔 벽에서 발견한 기록들을 다시 살펴봅니다. 루시가 다정하게 책을 읽어주었지만 아이작은 여전히 다른 곳에 정신이 팔려 있었고
There's a man.
루시는 감정 표현조차 없고 이해할 수 없는 말을 내뱉는 아이작이 걱정될 뿐이었습니다.
What's he doing now?
Watching.
How about now?
He's right next to you. Night, night, pumpkin.
바로 그때 익사한 시신의 데자비가 선명하게 나타나는데 잠에서 깬 루시는 곧장 아이작이 뚫어지게 응시하던 벽으로 향합니다. 날이 밝자 메러디스의 집으로 향하는데
Welcome to the neighborhood. So, cheers. I'm Debbie. Sorry, actually, we don't drink.
Right, sorry.
Did you want a cup of tea?
최근에 이사온 메러디스의 가족은 집 곳곳을 수리하는 중이었죠.
He had grand plans for your place.
My place?
Number 7. We put in a cheeky offer. I guess yours wasn't as cheeky. So if we were meant to live there, then we would be, you know?
How old is Meredith?
7.
So is she at Lyle Hill?
Rushgrove Primary.
학교에서도 접점이 없었던 메러디스를 아이작이 어떻게 알고 있는지 의문이 든 루시.
Sorry. Do you mind if I get this?
메러디스 집의 냉장고에 붙어있는 그림은 분명 얼마 전 냉장고에서 봤던 데자비였습니다. 깨름칙함에 주위를 살피던 루시가 또 다른 무언가를 발견하는데
You're not crazy.
I know that everything seems irrational, impossible.
But you're completely sane.
I know that I've done things. I know. I've been where you are. Everyone can remember the past. How can you possibly remember the future? I can help you understand.
Is they gonna lock you away and we are never gonna speak again?
Please don't do this. What about your son? You still have questions. I can help you answer them.
Not even joking, he'll do anything you tell him. Like whatever you say, he'll do it. Watch. Put your finger in your nose. Oh, mate, what are you doing?
rank. Hey, hit yourself in the face. Harder. Again. Harder. Harder. Harder.
Had a woman from social services on the phone. Chloe Fisher's caseworker wants to know when we'll be out of the property because her name is Lucy Chambers.
닉과 라비는 곧바로 루시를 찾아 그녀의 직장으로 찾아가지만
She's not here at the minute to speak to Rob.
Which one's Rob?
He's in a meeting.
Any idea when he'll be out?
Is this her?
Yes, the one in the middle, yeah.
Remember the drawings from Lodge 13?
Yeah.
This is her, Nick. I need you to give me her mobile number right now.
그 시각 루시는 아이작 일로 교장과 면담 중이었죠.
I'm sure you'll appreciate there are steps we need to take when a child is self-harming.
This isn't self-harm. He didn't do this because he wanted to.
The EA have conducted...
What's the EA got to do with it? I know he doesn't have special needs, but not one of them can tell me why my son doesn't laugh or cry or why he won't so much as hug me unless I tell him to. People self-harm because they are angry or upset or guilty, but he doesn't feel those things. He can't feel anything because he's broken. Something's just... If you can't look after him, I'll find somewhere else.
잠시 뒤 집에 도착한 루시와 아이작. 휴대폰을 놓고 내린 루시는 전화를 받지 못하고 누군가 자신이 숨겨놓은 열쇠로 문을 열고 들어왔다는 사실을 눈치채는데
Lucy? Oh, sorry. I broke your glass.
Fuck's sake, Mike.
Lucy, I really need to talk to you about something. Into his face.
It's at school.
Just listen to what I have to say, and then I'll go.
Isaac, go and play in the other room. Have you been vaping in here?
What? No, I gave up. I've been seeing someone. I mean, she knows that I'm still married, but she wants to make it serious. I'm sorry, I know that I should have told you about this before. I don't want her. I've been thinking about what you said, and I'll do it.
Do what?
I'll be his dad. I'll try again. If it means that I get you, then I.
No.
Sorry, I thought this is what you wanted.
I want you in his life, Mike. That's what I want. Teach him bad words and spoil him at Christmas.
Why are we still having sex?
He's our kid, Mike.
Do you still love me or not? Talk to me.
I think about someone else when we f***. Where'd you put the key?
What?
The back door key, Mike. What did you do with it?
I came in through the front door.
What?
I came in through the front door. Why?
No, she's left for the day. She's gone to pick up Isaac.
Isaac!
Who's Isaac?
Her son.
What's wrong?
Give me the address. 43 references to the name Isaac. Just assume they were biblical. He's not coming for her.
He's coming for the boy. I can't imagine how you must have felt. I'm sorry you had to go through that.
Stop talking.
Just sit down. I promise.
Shut up!
All right.
Tell me why you took my little boy.
메러디스는 이사를 올 때 장난감 파츠 하나를 놓고 왔었습니다. 새 집으로 이사온 메러디스의 가족은 집을 꾸미기 시작했고 신기하게도 메러디스 가족의 집 구조는 루시의 집과 똑같았는데
Isaac! Isaac! Isaac!
Standing in the road screaming his name.
You were still there.
I wanted to help you. I wanted to tell you.
Tell me what?
I never touched your son.
You're full of shit. You were obsessed with Isaac.
He's a special boy.
What the fuck does that mean?
Don't leave. Please.
Don't let him bait you.
That's why you interrupted
If
us.
something happens to you,
It won't.
and you go back in there, I'm coming with you.
Abby, thanks. You trusted me.
I'm not.
추적해온 라비와 닉에게 아이작이 유괴되었다고 신고한 루시.
With any luck, we'll have Isaac's picture on every front page by the morning. Whoever this man is, he's not going to have anywhere to hide. I can promise you that.
Because her name was written on his wall, and you didn't do anything about it.
We were looking for Lucy Chambers. That's not your name, not on paper.
I'm changing my name back.
라비가 루시를 빠르게 찾아내지 못했던 이유는 그녀가 여전히 전 남편 마이크의 성을 쓰고 있었기 때문이었죠.
But right now, our best chance of finding Isaac is to identify the man who took him. You knew one of his victims, Shane Fisher.
That's my daughter.
What about Harold Slade?
He should kill himself.
I'm sorry?
Harold Slade.
Harold Slade is dead, Miss Chambers. Isaac's name comes up several times. We think this one says Isaac is unbound. In the Bible, Isaac was bound to a sacrificial altar by his father.
That's Isaac's watch.
No chance he could have been wearing it?
Right, he never wore it.
It doesn't work anymore.
창문 위에 선명하게 찍힌 손자국이 루시의 눈에 들어옵니다.
If we keep the story focused on Isaac, we have a better chance of finding him.
Sylvia, is it too hot for you?
We're watching the quiz. Butterfly. Oh, it's Butterfly!
I'll stick it on for you.
You didn't change the channel.
It's all right, I'm just popping it on.
We asked which of these insects is also the name of a swimming stroke. I'm afraid the correct answer is butterfly.
Told you. Butterfly. She didn't know.
루시는 여전히 아이작을 사랑하지 않는 마이크에게 깊이 화가 나 있었는데
Scared, just the same as you are.
No, you're not. Not like me, because I love him and he... Just go home.
그가 집을 나서자 갑자기 데자뷰가 시작되고 한편 라비와 닉 또한 아이작을 찾기 위해 온 힘을 쏟고 있었는데
Someone's been dumping the crap in the ravine there. But then a couple of weeks ago, a ranger spotted a car, called it in. Description's consistent with our red Nissan. You said, right, that some of these could be maps. This one here matches the road configuration. You see that line there, that's the ravine. And the shading, that's the woods, isn't it?
다음 날 루시는 다시 정신과 상담실을 방문합니다.
You have to trust the police. Honestly, the best thing you can do for Isaac right now is to take care of yourself.
루시는 죽은 해럴드 슬레이드에 대해 알고 있었다고 이야기하지만
When you heard Slade's name, you wanted to feel a connection, but it's more likely just deja vu.
Harold Slade has a violin above his stairs in the hallway.
Lucy, what do you think they're going to say? I'm here if you need me, and anything I can do to help.
Diazepam. So help me.
그 시각 라비와 닉은 빨간 닛산 자동차를 탄 남자가 쓰레기를 버리고 갔다는 지점에 도착합니다.
What if there is? What if it's her?
Lucy Chambers.
Her name was written on the suspect's wall, and she might have known Harold Slade. If there is a link, then she connects every victim.
Except for Jonatella.
You smell that?
버려진 냉장고를 열어보자
Dog.
그날 밤 수면제를 먹고 겨우 잠이 든 루시는 천장에서 나는 소리에 잠에서 깼고 지붕 밑 다락으로 향하는데 하지만 아무것도 보이지 않는 다락방. 놀란 루시는 다락방 문을 닫고 내려왔지만 다락방에선 계속해서 걷는 소리가 들렸죠.
Leave me alone!
하지만 다시 뒤돌아보자 또 열려있는 다락방 문. 그 시각 잠에 들지 못하던 실비아는 늦은 밤 맨발로 어디론가 나섭니다. 루시는 다락방의 문이 닫혀있는 걸 확인하고는 다시 수면제의 도움을 받아 잠을 청하려 하는데 잠에 들지 못하는 루시는 밖으로 나와 라비에게 전화를 겁니다.
Hello?
It's been over 24 hours.
We spoke to your husband earlier. I'm afraid there's been no update.
He's not my husband, not anymore.
Okay.
Did Harold Slade have a violin above his stairs?
날이 밝자 루시는 헤럴드의 집을 찾아갑니다.
How did you know him?
Sorry?
루시는 아들이 그의 조정 클럽 회원이라며 거짓말을 하고
This is really embarrassing. Could I use your loo?
Yes, I suppose so.
Sorry.
That's all right.
한영 속 바이올린을 현실에서 마주한 루시는 헤럴드가 비극을 맞이했던 서재로 향하는데 역시나 데자비에서 본 비밀번호를 누르자 같은 시각 실비아의 요양보호사가 그녀가 사라졌다는 사실을 눈치채고
Forensics tell us he was probably run over. As you know, we impounded the Nissan over 2 weeks ago with a flat tire and a buckled wheel. First priority, is to identify the new car so that we can track it down. We've hidden some cameras in the woods where the dog was found.
Miss Chambers.
Turnpike House, Paintmore Lane, North Tamford. I think Harold Slade had a pseudonym and he used it to buy a property near here. They were in his safe.
His safe?
I knew the code, 1812. It was 1812, like the overture. He should have killed himself.
Who?
Slade had secrets. Look, I don't know what this is, I just know it's important. I will meet you there, okay?
Miss Chambers, I need you to stay away from that house.
Heading there now.
No, you're not. Listen to me.
그때 요양보호사에게 전화가 걸려오고
Because I know where she's going.
루시는 지체 없이 그녀가 항상 가던 곳으로 향합니다.
Why here? Why'd you come here?
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, my darling, don't cry. What's wrong?
Somebody took Isaac away.
It's okay. You'll find him. That's what you said on the telly.
I've never been on the telly, Mum. Ready?
You're going home?
Not yet.
그 시각 라비와 닉은 루시가 지목한 집에 먼저 도착합니다. 두 사람은 집안을 살펴보기 시작하고
Anesthetic.
반대편 방을 살펴보던 닉이 다급히 라비를 부릅니다. 그곳에 있던 건
It's the boys' watch.
그 무렵 루시와 실비아도 현장에 도착합니다.
It's all right, Mum. Just stay in the car.
루시는 홀로 집안으로 향하고
Miss Chambers, you shouldn't be here. I'll be here right now.
Don't touch me!
루시도 아이작의 시계를 발견하는데
Isaac!
닉이 급히 지원을 요청하는 사이 실비아는 무언가를 느낀 듯 차에서 내리는데
We've searched the place. There's no one here.
What about in there?
Where?
There.
루시는 갑자기 선반을 밀기 시작하고 지켜보던 나비가 같이 선반을 밀자
How did you know this was here?
루시는 헤럴드의 금고에서 발견한 열쇠로 문을 열어봅니다. 그곳에는 환영 속에서 보아 익숙한 지하실이 있었고 그 안에는
Oh God. Lucy! Go upstairs, now.
그때 숲을 거닐던 실비아는
There. I found you.
I'm not supposed to be here.
Well, neither am I. There she is.
루시를 본 아이작은 처음으로 울음을 터뜨립니다.
How did he get away? You had him, and you let him escape. What happened to Jonah Taylor? Is he alive?
I certainly hope so.
Where did you take him?
You've got me on 4 counts of murder, life in prison. What good would a confession do me? Nothing's going to change that. I'm not here to tell you what you want to know. I'm here to tell you what you need to know.
What do we need to know?
I saw where you hid the spare key. I let myself in. Searched the boys' room.
What were you looking for?
Confirmation. And I found it. Then your ex-husband showed up, smashed the glass in the kitchen. I was gone before you and Isaac arrived home.
If you didn't take Isaac, who did?
I don't think anyone took the boy.
Well, he didn't just vanish into thin air, did he?
I wouldn't be so sure about that.
Have you been vaping in here?
Starting the act tomorrow. What is it, love?
Lee, what?
He's not supposed to be here. Not supposed to be here.
Do you remember what happened?
A man came. He wanted me to go
Where did you go, Isaac?
to the woods
And how did you get there?
in a car.
Do you remember what the car looked like?
Black.
What happened when you got to the woods?
They left me.
Who left you?
Stay here. We'll find someone to take to get back to the station.
He remembers what people say. It's like a photographic memory, but with words.
Can you remember what else they said, Isaac?
It's okay. She's coming back.
Could you tell us what he looks like?
아이작이 무사히 돌아오자 사건은 라비의 손을 떠나 다른 곳으로 이첩됐고
Not our case anymore.
하지만 라비가 집요하게 진실을 파헤치자 닉은 CCTV 영상 하나를 내미는데
A colleague of mine moved to Emsus a year ago.
용의자가 쓰레기를 버리던 장소에 설치된 카메라에 남자의 모습이 선명하게 찍힌 것.
Drove off in a hurry. Lost a hubcap. Might find something we can work into your theory. It's not our case anymore.
하지만 라비는 아이작이 자신을 지목했던 그 순간이 지워지지 않고 있었습니다.
Have you always believed in the supernatural? Clairvoyance? Precognition?
I don't see it. I remember it. That's funny. I knew you wouldn't give up. Not after what happened with Aiden Stenner. But you probably don't want to talk about that.
과거 루시는 담당했던 소년 에이든이 종적을 감췄을 때 그의 집을 직접 방문했었습니다.
Fuck's sake, he's just staying with mates. You could try me here, Thomas.
Right. And where does she live now?
I don't know. Ask her mum.
에이든의 엄마가 잠시 자리를 비우자 집안을 살펴보던 루시는 그날 저녁 마이크는 루시에게 가족 여행을 제안하는데
I was thinking that
I want to try again, you know?
Let me think about it.
Okay.
그때 루시의 집에 찾아온 누군가. 바로 라비였습니다.
I wanted to give you this.
What is it?
Isaac's interview. You said a psychiatrist wanted to see the footage. Actually, I wanted to ask you something.
Oh, shit.
루시가 하던 요리가 다 타버린 것인데
What did you want to ask me?
Slade's house. You say you guessed the code to his safe.
자신의 말을 믿지 못할 상황. 루시는 대충 둘러댔고
And the violin? You asked me if Slade kept a violin above his stairs.
Did Harold Slade have a violin above his stairs?
I remembered it.
So you had been there before.
No, but I remember it now, and it's like
What else do you remember?
I remember the house, that awful room in the basement, those two little girls from the photographs, dead.
Those girls are alive. I spoke to them myself.
Sometimes I remember it wrong.
그때 찾아온 아이작.
I'm cold.
Oh, you don't feel cold.
Hello, Isaac. Manly handshake.
라비는 아이작에게 자신만의 악수법을 알려주고
You're my undercover officer now. You need to keep an eye on your mum for me.
Would you like to stay for a Chinese?
I shouldn't, but thanks. Things to do. Early start tomorrow. It's good to see you again, Isaac.
아이작은 라비의 악수법을 완벽히 따라하는데
Look at that. Got it in one. Great work. Take care of your mum, okay?
Okay.
Dear Dylan, I have this case at work.
What is it?
Aiden Stenner. His mum hasn't seen him for days. Sounds like drugs. He has a friend, Mia Thomas.
I'll ask around. See whose desk it landed on. Maybe I can oil the wheels.
그때 저녁 먹을 준비하던 아이작에겐 메러디스의 가족들이 보이고 집에 돌아와 사건 기록을 살펴보던 라비는 용의자의 기록에서 에이든의 이름을 발견하자 결국 닉과 함께 미아를 찾아가는데
We're looking for Mia Thomas. You seen her? Are you Mia? We understand you know Aiden Stenner. He's not in trouble. We just want to make sure he's all right.
닉은 어린 미아의 집에 수많은 남자가 드나드는 것을 보고 의아함을 느꼈고
Are you all right with that?
Aiden's not here.
Don't.
I don't like her chances. I'm cooped up with scum like that.
They'll do worse than scratch your car.
Mummy says you don't normally wear this.
그 시각 정신과 상담을 받고 있는 루시와 아이작.
So you slept there for 2 nights all on your own. Where?
On the floor. I was cold.
He keeps saying he's cold. He's never said that before. I mean, he's been cold before. Like, it upsets him, like he wants it to stop.
Isaac, do you remember when Mummy found you? How did that make you feel?
I don't know.
You know, sometimes we cry when we're happy as well as when we're sad. Is that why you cried? Because you were happy? And do you remember why you were happy?
She knew me.
잠시 후 미아의 집 앞을 지키던 레비와 닉의 눈에 미아와 웬 남자의 실루엣이 들어옵니다.
I'll call it in.
닉은 분노에 휩싸인 채 몽둥이 하나를 챙겨들었고
We require immediate assistance on Drakeford Lane, Matson Tower. Hello? Hello?
거칠게 안으로 들이닥친 닉은 그대로 멈춰섰습니다. 막고 있던 미아를 서둘러 집 밖으로 내보낸 뒤 수갑을 채운 닉. 두 사람이 간신히 놈들을 제압한 그 시각. 루시는 오늘도 같은 시각 잠에서 깹니다.
Hey, stop it. Why were you doing that?
I don't know.
Were you having a bad dream? What were you dreaming about?
He thinks this is his home.
Who?
I'm cold.
I'm sorry. I'll turn the heating up.
It's supposed to be.
Mia? Hi, Mia.
I want to talk to you about Aiden.
You don't want your help.
But we are running out of time. I can promise that you are going to regret this tomorrow.
미아가 입을 열지 않자 루시는 자리를 뜨려 하지만
Speed Kings.
정보를 얻어낸 루시는 아이작을 마이크에게 잠시 맡기려 합니다.
And I got you some ice cream for after dinner. He only eats the strawberry. Don't ask me why. I'll see you later.
I was thinking maybe I could come along, get involved.
How about that?
Two fish in a tank. One says to the other, "Do you know how to drive this thing?"
마이크는 아이작에게 가벼운 농담을 던지며 다가가려 노력했지만 아이작의 무표정한 반응에 마이크는 무색해졌고
You really don't care about anything, do you? Would you even care if I took that away from you? How about now? Do you want it? No, thought not.
같은 시각 에이든과 관련된 기록을 추적하던 라비의 눈에 레이싱복을 입은 남자의 사진이 들어옵니다. 증거물 원본을 확인해보자.
Speed Kings.
그때 스피드킹스에 도착한 루시.
Aiden Stenner. My name's Lucy. You shouldn't sell here, not tonight.
Who says I'm selling?
All you have to do is go home. I'm just trying to help you.
Why?
It's my job.
Do I look like I need fucking protecting?
그런데 갑자기 건물 근처에 들어서는 차 한 대.
Stay where you are.
루시와 눈이 마주치자마자 당황한 듯 급히 차를 돌려 빠져나갔고.
Are you calling? Put the phone down now!
You don't want to hurt me.
No?
But I think I just saved your life.
In 200 yards, turn left.
그 무렵 라비도 스피드킹스에 도착하는데 빠져있는 휠이 그의 눈에 들어옵니다.
Drove off in a hurry. Lost a hubcap.
용의자임을 확신한 라비는 차를 뒤쫓기 시작하고
It's all connected. You, me, him, Isaac. Not until you're as crazy as I am.
You're going for the insanity plea.
I really don't care very much what happens to me. Sooner or later, I'll find a way to kill myself.
If that's what you want, I'm not going to stand in your way.
I think you would. You're a good man.
전조등까지 모두 끈 채 어둠 속에서 검은 차량을 미행하던 라비. 차량이 시야를 벗어나자 속도를 올리는데 라비가 차 밖으로 나오자 열리는 문.
Put your hands on the car! You're not supposed to be here! I've never killed you before. I'd rather keep it that way. A little bit further. That's it. What do you know about Aiden Stenner? Was Stenner alive? No one has to die. No, somebody else is gonna die. Put the gun down. Let's talk. We are talking, but you're not listening. What are you doing? Waiting. Waiting for what?
쓰러진 전봇대가 라비의 앞길을 막아서자 남자는 차를 돌려 현장을 유유히 빠져나갑니다.
I've never killed you before. I haven't killed you yet. That would make sense.
I wish you'd listened. I could have stopped the chaos. But now you blame me. You blame me because that's easier than blaming yourself.
Blaming myself for what?
What happened after the storm?
다음 날 마약 조직의 우두머리가 에이든을 호출합니다.
Mia says you went off the line. I paid. I paid what I tell you what you fucking owe me! Look, you want to come off the line, you got to make it right with us, yeah? I'll make it right. You got a burner? You know that pig that fucked up his leg? Them locking him up like that. I think they can do what they like, no comebacks, but he don't know we got his name. He don't know we got his fucking house. So you're gonna make this right.
한편 루시는 계속 춥다는 아이작에게 히터를 설치해 줍니다.
I'm cold.
I know, sweetheart. I'm going to get you some blankets. Hold on.
루시가 담요를 챙겨 돌아오던 그 순간
Isaac, what are you doing? Don't do that. It's hot.
I'm cold.
Oh my god.
Why are you laughing?
Two fish in a tank. One says to the other.
Do you know how to drive this thing?
그 시각 닉은 아내와 잠자리에 들여 하는데
What was that? Did you lock the back door? Yes. Now come on. I'm tired. Let's go sleep.
confessed this morning. You were right. This was retaliation. Aiden Stenner.
두 사람은 어젯밤 에이든에 의해 처참히 살해당한 것이었죠.
Blaming myself for what?
What happened after the storm? We can change you, Connor. Now get in the chair.
Can you see them? Well, they're not real. You can see them, you can hear them. That's just Roger. Don't mind him. You're holding on, aren't you? I lost my grip. Wait there.
그녀는 마음의 안식을 찾아주는 동그란 금속 물체를 아이작의 손에 건네줍니다.
Squeeze it.
Okay, Mum. It's time to put your shoes on. Come on. Mum, he's your grandson.
He didn't cry when he was born, did he?
Right, come on, Mum. Isaac.
I didn't abandon him. If that's, she kicked me out. You know, I said some things that I didn't mean. Maybe I did mean, at the time.
We're late. Sorry.
Sorry we're late.
Sorry.
You okay, Isaac?
하지만 평소와 다르게 불안해하는 아이작.
Hey, what have you got there? Where did you get this?
Grandma.
Oh, you shouldn't have this. It's not yours.
Give it back.
Why do you want it, Isaac?
Give it back!
Okay, don't talk like that. You never talk like that.
얼마 뒤에 상담을 마치고 집으로 향하던 아이작과 루시.
Hey!
반복되는 행동에 폭발한 루시는 지체 없이 메러디스의 집으로 향하는데
Meredith ran out in front of the car again.
Did you run in front of Lucy's car?
하지만 방금 전까지 보았던 그녀의 옷차림과는 전혀 다른 모습에 당황하는 루시.
Don't lie.
I'm sorry. I think I made a mistake. What? Sorry.
Lucy, you saw her, right?
기묘한 위화감을 뒤로한 채 집으로 돌아왔을 때 라비가 두 사람을 반깁니다.
Thank you.
You're sad.
Yeah, I am.
그러자 아이작은 실비아가 준 동그란 금속 물체를 라비에게 건넸고
Do you want to go and play for a minute?
뒤이어 에이든에 의해 닉 부부가 살해당했다는 사실을 말해주는 라비.
I didn't know I was trading one life for another.
You weren't.
Where did you get that?
Isaac gave it to me. He's a sweet kid.
And what do you think?
I think I should do my job.
He thinks he's righteous.
What makes you say that?
I know him. I've never met him. I have never seen his face, but I know him, Ravi. Gideon Shepherd.
늙은 기디언을 면회하러 온 여자는 바로 노인이 된 루시였고
Hello, Gideon.
아주 먼 미래를 예견하는 듯한 지독한 데자비와 함께 꿈에서 깨어납니다. 루시는 깨어나자마자 데자비 속 자신이 언급했던 기디언을 검색하기 시작하는데
Lucy?
Gideon Shepherd.
Hold on. Who are you talking about?
The man we're looking for, his name is Gideon Shepherd.
I don't understand what you're telling me.
Gideon Shepherd. He disappeared in 1967, aged 9, after stabbing his father to death.
What makes you think this is him?
I remember.
Like I remembered Slade and Aiden Stenner.
Lucy.
Listen to me, but he's got a younger brother, Malcolm.
Facebook says he lives in Cheltenham. Do you think you could get me his address?
You can't just harass some nobody because of a cold case from 50 years.
And I didn't call to ask your permission.
Then why did you call?
To see if you want to come with me.
결국 두 사람은 함께 기디언의 동생 멜컴을 찾아갑니다.
What are you doing? Nobody wants a smoky bride.
I'm nervous.
Time to get married.
Cockpit drill. What's first?
Make sure it's in neutral.
Okay, let's try that.
Who's this? Malcolm Shepherd.
That's me.
My friend and I would like to ask you some questions, if that's okay with you.
He's dead, isn't he?
I'm sorry?
My brother? You're going to tell me he's dead.
Not as far as I know.
What's this about then?
Are you still in contact with your brother?
Well, I haven't seen him. Not since he disappeared.
What do you mean, not exactly?
A few years ago, he started calling.
leaving messages. I think he was watching us.
What makes you say that?
Same car, out in the lanes, end of the drive.
Is it a red Nissan?
How do you know that?
Lucky guess. When's the last time you heard from him?
3 weeks ago.
멜컴이 들려준 녹음 메시지에는 기디언의 목소리가 담겨 있었습니다.
Hi, Mal. I don't know if you'll hear from me next year. I hope so. I hope one day you'll pick up the phone. Talk to me. Tell me that you understand. You were the first one I saved. Take care of yourself.
한편 루시 대신에 아이작을 데리러 간 마이크.
Will Isaac's mum be dropping him off in the morning? It's just I'd like a word.
You can talk to me if it's about him.
It's nothing. Just that he's been drifting more.
He freaks you out, doesn't he?
No, God, no. I'm not saying that. No, but he has been having conversations, talking to people who aren't there.
Yeah, he does that. Yeah, Lucy's mum's got schizophrenia, for what it's worth. Apparently you're not allowed to call a child a psychopath. That's what I read.
Neurodiversity can be hard to diagnose at a young age.
Well, I guess we'll just see what happens when he gets older, eh?
He may surprise you.
Or murder me in my sleep. Sorry, that was a bad joke.
루시와 라비는 밤 늦게까지 기디언의 통화를 다시 들어보고 있었는데
One day you'll pick up the phone.
Stop. What?
What is it?
There's a train close by. There's not many places a train sounds its horn. If we assume he's still in the area, say 100-mile radius, not many trains passing those points at 1:23 in the morning, give or take a couple of minutes.
That's some good work, Detective Chambers.
Sorry.
루시가 집에 도착했을 때 마이크와 아이작은 함께 TV를 보고 있었죠.
Has Isaac had dinner?
Yes. Yeah, and then I gave him some ice cream.
We don't have any ice cream.
I bought him some strawberry ice cream. That's his favourite. Is he right?
루시는 아이작에게 다가가기 위해 애쓰는 마이크의 노력을 느낄 수 있었고
Tell me what it is that would make this better. Whatever you want me to do, I'll do it.
I just want everything to be normal again, Mike.
You're not normal, Lucy Stevens. That's why I love you. But if that's what you want, I will try.
Great.
하지만 루시가 저녁을 먹기 위해 주방으로 향하자
If your mum asks, I gave you strawberry ice cream.
Okay.
Good boy.
또다시 지독한 데자비와 함께 깨어난 루시는 아이작에게 향했고 그녀의 불안을 읽은 듯 아이작은 손을 잡아줍니다. 다음날 라비는 기디언에 관한 단서들을 상사 앞에 늘어놓으며 수사권을 돌려받아 추적을 이어갈 수 있게 해달라고 요청하는데
But I need you to get out of here. Nick wouldn't want this for you.
Oh, fuck you.
Slam the door on the way out if it makes you feel better.
그 시각 등교하는 아이작을 바라보는 루시.
Hi.
There's an abandoned repair yard outside Melwood. Fits with the timings on the message.
So what now?
My boss said he'll pass it on to Major Crimes. It means we're on our own.
You're gonna get hurt.
No one's gonna act on this unless I do.
Ravi.
I'll keep you updated.
루시가 급히 라비에게 향하려던 그 순간
Are you okay? This is so stupid. Are you sure you still want to marry him? I mean, he did wet the bed until he was 8. Thanks, mate.
데자비 속 루시가 결혼한 상대는 바로 라비였습니다. 한편 라비는 기찻길 옆 버려진 공장에 도착했고 휠 빠진 자동차까지 확인하는데 방 안으로 들어선 라비의 눈에는 모텔방에서 보았던 것처럼 기괴한 자료들이 온 벽을 가득 채우고 있었죠. 그때 멀리서 들려오는 신음과 비명소리. 그곳에는 한 남자가 결박된 채 방치되어 있었고 그 곁에는 썩어 구더기가 들끓는 고기가 널브러져 있었습니다. 묶여있는 남자 앞엔 음란물이 재생 중이었죠.
What's your name?
Connor Larson.
How long have you been here, Connor Larson?
그때 누군가 문을 여는 소리가 들리고
We have to go. Come on, quickly.
라비는 코너를 먼저 밖으로 탈출시킵니다.
I wasn't gonna kill him. That wasn't the plan. I've had this fight before. You won't win. I can't let you stop me, but I can let you live.
기디언이 자리를 뜨자마자 라비의 추격이 다시 시작됩니다.
Leave me alone.
라비를 기절시킨 뒤 도망치기 위해 다급히 차에 오르는 기디언.
Ambulance.
그렇게 기디언을 경찰에 넘기고 후련한 마음으로 집에 돌아온 루시. 아이작도 조금씩 상태가 호전되는 것 같은데
Hi, you okay? Do you need a hand?
No, you stay there.
그때 라비에게 전화가 걸려옵니다.
Hi.
He asked to see me. He said he'd explain everything.
Has he said anything?
Nothing. He said he only wants to talk to Lucy Chambers.
그렇게 루시가 기디언과 마주하게 되죠.
You ever been in this room before?
No.
You feel like you have?
Why would I?
Deja vu. The sense of a moment plays through your memory center. Makes you feel like you've experienced all this before.
그 시각 루시와 단란한 저녁 식사를 기대했던 마이크는 계획이 무산되자 분노를 드러내는데
Jesus. What the fuck do you want?
I could have stopped the chaos. But now you blame me. You blame me because that's easier than blaming yourself.
Blaming myself for what?
What happened after the storm? I never met your partner, but I read his obituary. He seemed like a good man. We all have people we care about.
Who do you care about? We spoke to Malcolm. Did you know that? He seems like a good man too.
Malcolm's got nothing to do with this. You leave him alone. You understand? You leave him alone.
You said you did it for him. Was Malcolm the reason you murdered your father?
My father was the reason I murdered my father. You are
Why did
talking
you murder
about
him, Gideon?
Because he murdered me first. I've died more times than I can remember. Cold descent into nothing. I no longer exist. Then, gradually, one sense at a time, I come back.
기디언은 엄격한 가부장적 질서와 독실한 기독교 신앙이 지배하는 가정에서 태어났습니다.
Gideon, he's kicking. Here. Maybe Gideon can blow the candle out for you. Don't touch.
Gideon! When we're in church, you sit still and you show respect.
Oh, so I'm not allowed to speak to other men now?
Just don't try to coax him into bed in front of all my friends.
James is my friend. He wants to talk to me.
He doesn't want to talk to you, Moira. You boys be good for your mother while I'm away. Look after Malcolm. Make sure he behaves.
Where are you going? Mummy said you lost all the money.
But Daddy's gonna fix it, like he always does.
하지만 아버지가 자리를 비운 사이 기디언은 어머니의 불륜을 목격했고 아버지의 사업 실패까지 겹치자 집안은 점점 무너져 내렸죠. 지옥 같은 분위기 속에서도 기디언은 동생 멜컴을 끔찍이 아꼈습니다.
Where are we going? Daddy.
We have to say a prayer.
Why?
It's a very bad thing. So now we have to pray. All three of us. Pray with me.
가정의 파멸 속에서 9살 소년 기디언의 영혼은 소멸했지만
Don't touch.
Gideon!
Touch.
Gideon!
그는 죽을 때마다 기억을 지닌 채 삶이 다시 반복된다는 걸 깨닫게 됩니다. 그의 기억들은 데자뷰로 나타났고 기디언은 자신이 죽는 날까지 모두 기억하기에 이르는데 그는 더 이상 비극적인 삶을 되풀이하지 않기로 결심합니다.
No one would. So I ran away as far as I could get. It was never long before they found me, but every time they did, it started again.
라비는 기디언의 말을 망상이라며 일축했지만 루시에게는 일종의 해답 같았는데
So all this has happened before?
No, not exactly.
Lucy.
You change things. So you're saying that's how you managed to survive because you know what's going to happen next.
I only hide where I won't be found. I only steal when I won't be caught. I only fight when I know I can win.
We searched your place by the tracks. Found cash. £13,000, give or take. Was that stolen?
No. Once I can pass for 18, I don't need to steal anymore.
Why is that?
I'm very good at picking a winner.
돈을 따는 것이 쉬워진 권태로운 일상 속에 한 소녀가 나타납니다. 기록과 통제만이 전부였던 그의 삶에 소녀가 내민 손길은 강렬한 파동을 일으켰죠. 하지만 에벌린이 떠나고 얼마 뒤
One of their tires blew out on a bend. They were all dead. I couldn't help them. I knew why this was happening to me. Why my memories followed me through every lifetime. I remembered that family. I took their names to my grave. In every new life, I find them again. I go to their house on the morning of the crash, and I make sure that car never leaves the driveway. When I hear about a tragedy, I write down what happened.
Fire was attributed to an electrical fault in a brand new tumble dryer, causing it to overheat during the night.
라비와 닉이 발견했던 쓰레기는 누군가를 도우며 발생한 쓰레기들이었던 것.
Strange thing is, even when I stop a fire, I can still smell the smoke.
You think you're saving people?
I know I am. I ran over a dog 2 weeks ago on purpose. Then I reversed over its head just to make sure. Belonged to a 4-year-old girl.
It's a dog.
기디언은 자신이 저지르는 모든 일들이 세상을 올바른 궤도로 되돌리는 숭고한 정화 작업이라 믿었습니다.
Because we found child pornography on your laptop.
It wasn't my laptop.
No?
I stole it from Harold Slade.
조정 클럽을 운영하던 헤럴드는 클럽에 가입한 아이들을 선별해 비밀리에 구입한 저택으로 데려가 추악한 범죄를 자행했습니다.
After that, I knew he had to die.
They found this in your jacket when they brought you in. It's barely legible. You need to work on your handwriting.
Turn to the last page.
마지막 페이지에는
I want to go back in.
He's playing a game with us.
We have to indulge him. That's the only way we're going to get to the truth, isn't it?
You think he's telling the truth?
루시는 여전히 가장 중요한 퍼즐 조각을 찾지 못했습니다. 왜 기디언이 아이작을 데려갔는지 말이죠.
Gideon's deluded, but he's not sadistic. He thinks his actions are righteous.
It means Jonah Taylor's still alive.
You're not scared. You can trust me, Jonah. I know you don't know me, but I'm a good person. You'll never find him.
Tell us how you saved him.
Jonah Taylor's parents were going to kill him and bury him in a shallow grave.
Where did you take him?
I left him with someone I trust.
Why would she harbour a kidnapped child when she knows the whole country is looking for him?
I explain what will happen if he goes home.
And she believes you.
She does.
Why?
Because I woke her up. Evelyn was supposed to die, but she didn't. But Evelyn, you could sense something was different. She started seeing things that weren't there. Shadows without weight passing across the room. And people, ghosts, drifting in and out of her reality. Here 1 minute, gone the next. When she was 19, she checked herself into a psychiatric hospital. I realized that she was seeing the world as it was before I got her out. The lives we lead are like tracks in the snow, and when we live them again, we're walking in the tracks we left before. But if your path changes, there are no tracks. The tracks that others left behind. Every change causes ripples. We found her an old house on the moor where the ripples wouldn't find her. And in time, she was able to make sense of her memories.
So she's like you.
In every new lifetime, her memories return, so she knows what she has to do. But she never could stand the ripples. That's why she always moves to that same house, to create familiar patterns and repeat them. Just the company of a little lost boy.
Where's the house?
You'll never find it.
So, you're a hero?
I enjoy helping people, making the world a better place. Aiden Stenner stabbed a pregnant woman to death over her boyfriend's drug debts. If he'd... If he dies, she lives. Now, I know that that is right, but I still can't bring myself to look him in the eye. A little bit further. That's it.
Waiting! Waiting for what?
No, because when your friend waged war on those dealers, nothing was the same. I couldn't track the chaos. I'm sorry. You see your friend again. Death isn't the end of the story. It's just punctuation.
Yeah, that's how you justify the killing.
There is no justification.
I understand. You hate murder. Torture, on the other hand, I saw what you did to Connor Larson before you shot him in the back.
Connor Larson rapes 5 women.
Larson never raped anyone.
Yeah, because I stopped it.
Why the torture then? Why not just kill him?
It wasn't torture.
What was it?
It was an experiment. We can change you, Connor. Imagine if you could make a murderer afraid of blood, or a rapist disgusted by sex. This eternal recurrence, all the death, all the suffering, whatever I do, it comes back around. But if I can change a person on the inside, then there's hope. The only problem is I always run out of time, and I always end up here. Whatever I do, wherever I go, someone always finds me eventually, and it's always the same detective.
If we always end up here, then you've told me this story before.
Yeah, I have.
Then why bother telling it again?
Because I'm not trying to convince you, Detective Dillon. Lucy, what's the worst thing you've ever experienced?
Gideon Shepherd.
I stayed alive for you, incarcerated, alone, for 25 years, waiting for you to come back. It was the longest 25 years I've ever lived. You made me share a cell with some animal who murdered his wife and kid. I added his name to the list. It's not hard for me to reset. All I need is a piece of glass or a razor blade. But I resisted. I suffered prison for you. Now I need you to do something for me. Remember and answer the question. What's the worst thing you've ever experienced? I stopped it.
Sit down!
30 years ago, I stopped it. I removed the firing pin from your grandfather's old shotgun, but you got a second chance. After that, you led a very different life.
Lucy, we need to go. You're not supposed to be here.
You're not supposed to be a lot of things. This isn't your life.
Sorry.
Lucy!
You said my life was different. Different to what?
Every life you've ever led. You're making new tracks now. And we've got to wake you up, Lucy. We've got to. Because I made a promise. Last time we met, you asked me to do this. We didn't realize how different your life was going to be. You're not who you were.
I was married. To Mike?
No.
So Isaac.
He's not supposed to be here.
That's why you tried to take him away.
I didn't, Lucy. No, I didn't. Please, just give me your shoelace. I just want to show you something. I'm not going to strangle you with it. Please.
루시가 신발끈을 풀어주자
Every knot is the end of one lifetime and the beginning of the next. What if, when we start a new loop, that's exactly what it is. A loop. It's a new life, but it's passing along the same curve. I can remember my previous lives. Simultaneous. Parallel. That's why we glimpse the world as it was before. You wake in the night to the sound of a shot that never fired. You see the things that were and the things that weren't. You were never supposed to live in that house, Lucy.
He had grand plans for your place.
My place?
Number 7. We put in a cheeky offer. I guess yours wasn't as cheeky.
Neither was Isaac. But Isaac isn't like us. He's not bound to this lifetime. Where you can see the echoes of previous loops, Isaac can reach out and touch them, talk to them. And he slips from one lifetime into another, disappears from our world altogether.
But why? Why Isaac?
Because he's an anomaly, Lucy. He's not supposed to exist.
Do you want me to turn that on for you? Come on. I want to tell you a story. Mum says you like stories. Once upon a time, I was having dinner with a girl called Sonia. 0 sense of humour. You'd have liked her. Anyway, about halfway through the meal, I had this amazing laugh. This woman was drinking with her friends. She had pina colada coming out her nose. I stayed and I spoke to the lady with the pina colada. And 6 months later, I married her. And then for the next 3 years, and they're the happiest years of my life. And then you came along and it was over. You destroyed our lives. Do you even feel anything? It's like there's no one in there.
There's something vital in every human life. A spirit, a soul. Isaac doesn't have that. He can't. You know what I'm talking about, that he came from nothing. He will return to nothing.
Go play somewhere else.
방으로 돌아가던 아이작은 마이크의 핸드폰을 챙기고
I know you tried to love him into existence, but that's impossible. He's never going to love you. He's never going to be real. I know you care about your son, but he's not the real reason you're here.
You nearly had me going there, but you gave yourself away. My son loves me.
Has he ever said that?
Have you? Have you ever loved anyone else? You're the husk, Gideon. My son is more real than you could ever hope to be.
루시는 그렇게 자리를 뜹니다.
I'll see you soon.
그때 갑자기 집안에 차오르는 연기를 눈치챈 마이크.
Isaac?
아이작이 히터에 올려둔 옷에 불이 붙었고 아이작의 감정 없는 얼굴을 본 마이크는 그 시각 집으로 가기 위해 핸드폰을 킨 루시.
Mum, Daddy made me cold. I want you to come home. I love you.
그 무렵 기디언은 교도소로 이송되는데 기디언이 있던 자리를 둘러보던 나비는 잠시 뒤 루시가 집에 도착했을 땐
Mike! Where's Isaac?
Hey! I went back for him.
What?
I couldn't find him.
Lucy!
아이작의 방으로 갔지만 아무것도 보이지 않았고 연기에 질식해 루시는 결국 쓰러지고 마는데 그리고 경찰 복장을 하고 등장하는 루시의 모습.
Detective Chambers. They're treating the mother for burns. Is everything all right, Mom?
It's nothing, just a feeling. Deja vu.
데블스 아워 첫 번째 시즌이 끝납니다. 매일 밤 정확히 새벽 3시 33분 악마의 시간이라 불리는 그때 눈을 뜨는 한 여자, 아마존 프라임에 숨겨진 수작, 미스터리 스릴러 데블스 아워였습니다. 이 시리즈는 단순한 오컬트를 넘어 심리 스릴러와 SF적 상상력을 절묘하게 뒤섞어 놓은 작품입니다. 초반부에는 파편화된 사건들이 흩어져 있어 다소 난해하게 느껴질 수 있지만 극이 진행될수록 그 조각들이 하나의 거대한 진실로 맞춰지는 과정은 소름 끼치는 지적 유의를 선사하죠. 특히 배우 피터 카팔디의 압도적인 존재감은 이 작품의 신의 한 수라고 할 수 있는데요. 그가 던지는 수수께끼 같은 대사들은 시청자를 끊임없이 의심하게 만들며 팽팽한 긴장감을 유지하게 합니다. 서늘하고 차가운 영상미 뒤에 숨겨진 슬프고도 충격적인 반전은 마지막 순간까지 가슴을 짓누르는 묵직한 여운을 남깁니다. 시간의 경계가 무너지는 기묘한 공포, 그 끝에 기다리는 진실이 궁금하신가요? 치밀하게 설계된 고퀄리티 미스터리를 갈망하는 분들께 데블스 아워의 소름돋는 여정을 강력히 추천드리며 영상 마치겠습니다. 구독과 좋아요는 영상 제작에 큰 힘이 됩니다.